Hello, this is Chad Parker from Hyundai Construction Equipment Americas. We are presenting to you from SIMA 2019 at booth 349. We have HL 955 TM in stage here with a Metal Plus 1018 snow plow. As you can see, we have plenty of people here at the booth. I'm going to introduce you to Jobe Miles, who is going to go over the Metal Plus loader, snowplow, and then we'll go over some of the loader features as well.
Just outside Auburn.
Hey, Jobe.
Hey man, how's it going?
Chad Parker, how are you?
Jobe Miles.
Tell us about the Metal Plus plow that you have here.
Metal Plus Plow. Well, it's a hydraulic wing plow that features carbide cutting edges with a patented live edge AR 400 wings. Collapses down from anywhere like a 10-foot moldboard section. Goes out to 18, 20, 22 feet.
Okay.
You know, whatever you need.
Yeah. And you have these blades are flexible?
Yeah. So they don't just trip. They actually float. And they follow the ground similar to rubber, even though it's a hard material. The technology that they have is pretty cool in that. And when it trips, there's not going to be any blade movement. It's just the patented technology again.
Right.
So when it trips, it just trips right back.
Okay.
All right. There's no damage, typically to the machines or anything. It's pretty cool.
You sell quite a bit of these every year?
Yeah, a couple.
All right, we appreciate your time. We're going to take the rest of Thank you.
Thank you.
So here we have the HL 955 TM on display. We have some of the optional features we have on the machine is the lube system, a Hyundai specific lube system. It gives you all the lines and controls, greases the machine as the machine's working, so it gives you longer pin life and wear. Additionally, we have our new LED light system. This gives you an ample 6,000 hours of lighting without having to change out bulbs. Really lights up the whole night for all snow plowing work that you're doing. We also have the AEVM and iMod system. This gives you 360-degree visibility around the machine with iMod detection. This allows you to prevent anything from coming in your safety areas that will prevent damage and anybody from hitting you. Additionally, we have our rear fender systems. These are full steel fenders with easy flip in and out. So easy access to engine service, maintenance, and checks. Really, really heavy duty and good for help preventing salt and other material debris from getting on the rest of the machine. Additionally, we have the Nokian snow tire system. It's a real popular snow tire for this application. These tires are actually getting around 8,000 hours of service. They have the additional spread locks, so they have grip. As you can see, I'm able to pull the grip aside at any point, so no matter what direction you go, you got positive traction in the snow and ice. And additionally, they got these extra little divots that help you get positive traction from the brand new set of tires, because a lot of times the tires won't grip when they're brand new. That really concludes. Additionally in the cab, we have our fingertip controls with 3 fingers. And additionally on there for the snowplow is another switch, so it gives you the option of using the third spool valve to switch whatever wing you want to rotate, depending on your plowing condition. There's also a 5-speed transmission on this machine that gives you optimal speed. It increases your transmission shift patterns quickly, so that you're allowed to get the top speed faster and getting the snowplow work done quicker. It also reduces fuel consumption and has a lock-up torque converter on there, which gives you a direct drive bypassing the transmission torque converter, so you get the top end speed faster as well. That concludes our walk around of our HL 955 TM. Thank you for joining us at SIMA 2019. We look forward to seeing you at booth 349.